Today we're hiking Hemmed In Hollow, the tallest waterfall in the Midwest, in between the Appalachian and the Rockies. It's a pretty infamous hike. It's 2.5 miles straight down, 2.5 miles straight back up. I can't remember the height of the falls, but I want to say it's like 272 feet. But here's what we're doing today. 2.5 miles straight down in the beautiful Buffalo National Forest. So let's get this party started. Probably about a half mile in, heading straight down. But look at the view. Really nice little primitive camping location right here. As you can see. All right, we're 0.7 miles from the falls. Beautiful hike so far. Weather's really nice. About 65 degrees, it's sunny. I thought I'd talk to y'all for a second about the 25-3 nature rule. 20 minutes a day, getting some type of green space, just walking around your yard barefoot or something. 5 hours a month, 5 hours a week in like a park or a river or hiking. And if you really want to get the nature reset, you do 3 hours a year or 3 days a year in nature secluded. Studies have shown that brain waves on the third day go to a meditative state after we get away from the clutter, the digital clutter that, and everything that bogs down our mind with our daily lives. So something I'm going to be doing real soon is a 3-day nature reset. I'm going to go probably out here in the Buffalo National Forest and do a 3-day nature reset with no digital devices or screens. Maybe even do a fast while I'm out there. It's beautiful out here. Well, the falls are barely flowing today. 216-foot drop though. Really surprising seeing how much rain we've got. Wow, that's up there. We're hiking. Leaving the falls now. 2.5 miles straight back out. Up. Straight up back out. Beautiful day. God is good. who have blessed us with his beauty and nature. I highly encourage anybody watching this to get out and go do a hike. Put your phone down. And I know that's hypocritical because I'm sitting here with my phone, but I also believe that happiness is shared, and I'm sharing this experience with you. Another really cool primitive camp spot out here along the trail. I mean, when I say this is isolated, you're isolated out here. This would be a cool place to spend an evening or two or three. Just about out. I think we're about, maybe an eighth of a mile. But just look how beautiful it is down through here. Just about out. Rough hike on the way back out. Passed a couple people who didn't make it all the way down and had already turned around. Pretty tough. I'd say if you're gonna come do this, make sure to give yourself at least 5 hours. Bring plenty of water and wear a good pair of shoes because there's a lot of rocks. Pretty rough incline coming back out. I think maybe an 1,800 foot elevation change, or maybe it's 1,200. So literally a couple miles straight back up. So yeah, beautiful day for a hike. This is a good one. Hemmed In Hollow in Compton, Arkansas. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we came, we saw, we conquered the infamous Hemmed In Hollow. Final thoughts. Give yourself plenty of time. This trail is brutal on your knees. Wear some good shoes. Take plenty of water. If you have bad knees or you're not in very good health, if you're not physically in very good shape, this isn't the trail for you. Pretty tough trail. So, took me 2.5 hours. So not bad. They say the average is about 4 to 5 hours. But yeah, I did it in 2.5 hours, so pretty good. But yeah, feet are hurting a little bit. Knees are pretty sore. Not pretty sore, but kind of sore. You know, you're just stepping on a lot of rocks and stuff. So anyway, the nice folks have left walking sticks. So we're out. Y'all have a good day and a good hike. God bless.